building a business takes time. Let me share this story with you. Meet Sarah. Sarah loves baking. Cupcakes, cookies, cakes, you name it, she bakes it. Her friends always tell her, "Sarah, you should sell these. They're amazing." One day, Sarah thinks, why not? She decides to turn her passion into profit. She knows it won't be easy, but Sarah is determined. Sarah starts small. She bakes for friends' parties, charging a modest fee. She sets up a simple Instagram page to showcase her creations. Word of mouth spreads, and soon, strangers are placing orders. She learns new recipes, experiments with flavors, and perfects her craft. Every cake, every cookie is a labor of love. Sarah faces challenges. Some days are slow, but Sarah is persistent. She bakes every day, hones her skills, and promotes her business online. She interacts with her followers, answers questions, and shares her baking journey. Slowly but surely, her audience grows. Months later, Sarah's hobby has transformed into a thriving business. She's booked weeks in advance. Her Instagram is booming, filled with glowing reviews and mouth-watering photos. Sarah's story proves that passion, dedication, and a sprinkle of hustle can turn any hobby into a dream come true. What are you waiting for? Your passion is your power. Go make it happen. Let us show you the 7 steps to product launch. Any product, grab our free guide in the description. And don't forget, a like and share is also free. We don't charge.